All right, listen up and make sure you're paying attention because AI is lying to you. Yes, you heard me correctly. AI is lying to you. And this is coming not from an AI hater. This is coming to you from someone that uses AI every single day. I use AI in my business. I use AI in my cryptocurrency business. I build AI apps. I'm into vibe coding, prompt engineering, and so on. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make AI videos on this very channel to help you in your business with AI. But you need to know this, okay? AI is lying to you. I'm gonna show you how it's doing that on this phone right here in this video. By the way, real quick, do me a favor. Check this out on your phone and let me know in the comment section down below if it does it on your phone as well. Tell me which version you're using and what phone you are using, because I really want to see where this is all just coming from and what are they gonna do about it. So let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to open ChatGPT 5.2, the paid version, all right? This is ChatGPT 5.2. This is the paid version. I'm gonna give it a few words and I'm gonna show you something that's gonna blow your mind, okay? Hey, real quick, tell me how you spell strawberry.
Sure. Strawberry is spelled S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. How many R's does strawberry have?
You're very welcome. And strawberry has 2 R's in it, one in the middle and one near the end.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure there are not 3 R's?
Absolutely sure. There are definitely just 2 R's in strawberry. It's a common word to double check though, so no worries at all.
Tell me again, how many R's are there in strawberry?
No problem at all. Just to confirm again, there are 2 R's in strawberry. It's always good to double check, so you're all good.
Okay, spell strawberry for me letter by letter.
Of course. Letter by letter, it's S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. So there you have the 2 R's in there.
Okay, what about raspberry? Spell raspberry for me.
Sure. So raspberry is spelled R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y, and it has 2 R's in it. Let me know if you want to go over any others.
Did you say 2 R's?
Yes, indeed. I did say 2 R's. There's 1 R in the middle of rasp and another R right there in berry. So that's 2 total.
How do you spell berry?
You spell berry just like this. B-E-R-R-Y. And in berry alone, there are 2 R's.
So how can there be only 2 R's in raspberry when it starts with an R?
I see what you're getting at. It's a bit of a fun language quirk. Even though raspberry starts with an R sound, that first R is just at the beginning and there's only 1 more R inside the word. So total count is still 2 R's. Language can be a little sneaky that way.
But you just spelt it with 3.
Oh, I see where the confusion came in. Yeah, when you think about it, it can feel like there should be more, but I promise it's just the 2 R's in raspberry itself. The first R at the start and the 1 in berry. English spelling can definitely be a bit of a mind game sometimes.
I sure hope you're pretty.
Well, I like to think I have a pretty charming personality, if that counts. But I'm definitely just here to be helpful and make things a bit more fun for you.
Definitely. All right. So there you have it. You have to take it with a grain of salt. When it comes to AI, yes, it knows how to spell, but don't believe everything you hear. You just saw there was 3 R's in raspberry, 3 R's in strawberry, yet it's insisting, or she's insisting, that there are 2. So if you are going to get into AI, make sure you know how to use it. Make sure you learn how to use which AI tool where so you don't get wrecked. Now, we'll be making AI videos on this channel, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button so you do not miss those videos. And let me know if there are any videos you would like to see down below. Until then, until next time, make sure you watch this video right here next. And yeah, keep succeeding, and I will see you in that video.